A Westmoreland farmer was gunned down while driving his motorcycle with his girlfriend on board at 3 Miles River in Frome in the parish on Tuesday night. The deceased has been identified as 39-year-old Dwayne Muley, otherwise called Soji, of Belmont District in the parish. Reports from the Frome police are that about 10 p.m. Muley was traveling on his motorcycle along with his girlfriend along Grandpa's Scheme Lane when he was pounced upon by a lone gunman who opened fire at him, hitting him in the upper body before fleeing. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, Muley was seen lying on his back in a pool of blood with gunshot wounds. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The girlfriend was not reported injured. Investigations are ongoing. The decomposing body of a man was found in Salt River, Clarendon, Tuesday morning. Police said the body is believed to be that of Merrick Aries, a 43-year-old resident of 46 Paddington Terrace in Kingston. According to the police, the partially decomposed body was discovered in bushes in Salt River about 9:30 a.m. The body had what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the head and upper body. The police said they were summoned to the location by residents who made the gruesome discovery. Upon the cops' arrival, the body was seen on its back clad in white t-shirt, white underpants, blue jeans and white sneakers. The deceased's pants was halfway down and his belt undone. A grey Honda motor vehicle was parked beside the body. Checks reveal that the car is the property of a car rental company with branches in Kingston, St. Anne and St. James. The police said items were found in the car that could assist them with their investigation. Preliminary investigations have revealed that the vehicle was rented in St. James last Saturday and was supposed to be returned on October 30. Based on their assessment of the scene, the police theorized that Aries may have been lured to the area and was robbed of his belongings.